Hey guys, this is the second new garage fan to try. The Envirofan's just hanging there on the test rig in the meantime. And you see the other blender fan is still up there, that's staying. So, this makes this a very similar install to the Shop Attic. 3-blade K63 blender fan, 4-blade K63 blender fan, except this one's got a housing. This version was sold through Sears as a turn of the century. So, I was originally looking for something more industrial for here, but this is giving me vintage hardware store vibes, which I really like. So this may stay. If it does stay, I'm gonna have to change the capacitor values in the receiver. So let's give it a try. Alexa, garage fan front 10%.
Okay.
So I did change the capacitor in the fan. It was failing, and now that I changed it, even though it goes very, very slow on low, it hasn't been stalling. That said, if I'm going to keep this here, I will definitely change the values. I'm thinking... Is it going to stall? Oh, it didn't stall when I tested it a little bit ago. Maybe the switch housing is binding. Let's just double check. Nope. Okay. So I'm thinking 10 and 15 for the two. No. Yeah. 10 and 15 for the two values. Because if I use a smart receiver and I only change one of the capacitors, the second value is going to be 5. So then the first value has to be... So it'll be whatever the closest I can come is to 10. So either 8, 9, or 10 for the low speed. And then that plus 5 for the medium. Alexa, garage fan front 35%.
Okay.
And the advantage of that is I can wire it up so I can easily change the front capacitor value. I won't solder one in. I'll just solder some leads, and then you can use wire nuts on the leads. Because this is 12 and this is still pretty slow. That's almost as slow as the 5 over there. Alexa, garage fan front 100%.
Okay.
What did I do with the capacitor that was in there? Oh, here it is. 5 microfarad Mallory 350. And it's swollen at the top. Alexa, garage fan front off.
Okay.
So we will see. I'm leaning towards this over the gold line simply because the gold line was more imposing. But I do like them both for different reasons. So this is another example of a fan. I never saw one of these as a kid. I saw the later K55 version. Those were pretty popular in my area. Especially I saw there's an art gallery that had two in white. Of course I saw the blender fan version with no housing. But this was brand new to me. It's interesting. They took their blender fan and basically you can tell I'm tired. They put a Robbins and Myers type housing on it. Alexa, garage fan front 5%.
Okay.
Nope. Okay. Alexa, garage fan front 35%.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Alexa, garage fan front 35%.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks for watching.